Biolage Shampoo is a professional haircare product developed by the brand Matrix, known for its salon-quality formulas and natural botanical ingredients. This shampoo is especially popular among people who are looking for gentle, effective cleansing without harsh chemicals. Biolage offers a variety of shampoo lines, such as the Biolage Hydrosource, Colorlast, Scalp Sync, and Smooth Proof ranges, each catering to specific hair needs like dryness, frizz, dandruff, and color protection. One of the key highlights of Biolage shampoo is its use of plant-based ingredients. For example, the Hydrosource line uses aloe vera, which is known for its hydrating and soothing properties. The Colorlast shampoo contains orchid extract to help preserve hair color vibrancy and protect against fading. These botanical elements make Biolage a go-to choice for those who prefer eco-friendly and nature-inspired products. Additionally, most Biolage shampoos are paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, aligning with modern beauty standards and values. Biolage shampoos are also appreciated for their luxurious texture and calming fragrances, offering a spa-like experience at home. The creamy lather deeply cleanses the scalp and hair while maintaining the hair's natural moisture balance. Whether you have curly, straight, fine, or thick hair, there's a Biolage formula suited to your specific hair type. Users often notice an improvement in the overall health, shine, and manageability of their hair after regular use. Furthermore, Biolage is trusted by professional stylists around the world, which adds to its credibility and popularity. It's often recommended after salon treatments for maintenance and continued hair care. The brand's commitment to sustainability is another plus, with recyclable packaging and environmentally conscious manufacturing. In summary, Biolage shampoo combines the power of nature with scientific innovation, making it a premium choice for anyone who wants clean,